The Toyota Bajaj Qute is a compact quadricycle that represents an innovative collaboration between two major automotive brands, Toyota and Bajaj. Designed primarily for urban mobility, it focuses on affordability, fuel efficiency, and practicality rather than luxury or high performance. This vehicle targets commuters who need a simple and economical solution for daily transportation in crowded city environments. From the outside, the Toyota Bajaj Qute has a minimalistic and functional design. Its small footprint allows it to easily navigate narrow streets and tight parking spaces. The body styling is basic but purposeful, with rounded edges and a tall profile that maximizes interior headroom. While it may not turn heads with aggressive styling, it clearly prioritizes utility over aesthetics. Inside the cabin, the Qute offers a surprisingly roomy experience for such a small vehicle. The seating layout is designed to accommodate up to 4 passengers, making it more practical than a traditional motorcycle or three-wheeler. Materials used in the interior are simple and durable, reflecting the vehicle's budget-friendly positioning. The dashboard layout is straightforward and easy to understand for first-time drivers. Comfort is adequate for short city trips. The seats provide basic cushioning and upright posture, which helps during stop-and-go traffic. However, long journeys may feel tiring due to limited suspension travel and minimal sound insulation. Still, for urban commuting, the comfort level is acceptable considering the price range. Under the hood, the Toyota Bajaj Qute is powered by a small displacement engine focused on efficiency rather than speed. The engine produces modest power, which is enough for city driving but not ideal for highways. Acceleration is smooth but slow, encouraging a relaxed driving style that matches its intended use. Fuel efficiency is one of the strongest points of the Qute. It consumes significantly less fuel compared to conventional small cars, making it a cost-effective option for daily travel. This makes it attractive for users who want to reduce fuel expenses and carbon footprint at the same time. Handling is light and easy, especially in traffic-heavy areas. The compact wheelbase and light steering make U-turns and parking effortless. Drivers who are new to cars or upgrading from two-wheelers will find the Qute easy to control and maneuver. Safety features are basic but functional. It includes seat belts, a reinforced body structure, and essential braking systems suitable for low-speed urban use. While it does not match the safety standards of full-sized cars, it still offers more protection than motorcycles and auto rickshaws. Noise and vibration levels are noticeable due to the small engine and light body construction. At higher speeds, engine noise becomes more apparent inside the cabin. However, this is expected in a vehicle of this category and does not significantly affect short commutes. The suspension system is tuned for city roads and performs reasonably well on smooth surfaces. On rough roads and potholes, passengers may feel more bumps compared to standard cars. Even so, the suspension handles everyday urban conditions better than many three-wheelers. Maintenance costs are low thanks to simple mechanical components and widely available spare parts. This makes the Qute suitable for commercial use such as ride-sharing or small delivery services. Its durability and low running cost add to its appeal as a practical transport solution. In terms of environmental impact, the Toyota Bajaj Qute produces lower emissions compared to traditional small cars. This aligns with modern trends toward eco-friendly transportation, especially in densely populated cities facing pollution issues. For families looking for an inexpensive second vehicle, the Qute can be a sensible choice. It works well for school runs, grocery shopping, and short daily errands. However, it is not intended for long-distance travel or highway cruising. The driving experience is simple and stress-free. There are no complex electronics or luxury features, which makes the vehicle reliable and easy to use. Its purpose-driven design ensures that users get exactly what they pay for without unnecessary extras. Overall, the Toyota Bajaj Qute stands out as a practical urban mobility solution rather than a traditional car. It offers affordability, excellent fuel efficiency, and compact convenience for city life. While it may lack comfort and power compared to regular cars, it successfully fills the gap between motorcycles and small hatchbacks, making it a unique and useful option for budget-conscious urban commuters.